What's the deal here exactly?
Well, essentially, the US need to win support from the Netherlands and Japan. These are two key countries. Yep. If the actual sanctions, these chip sanctions, are going to be really effective. Otherwise, there is this risk that experts have highlighted that in a matter of months, both companies from these countries could step in to essentially fill that place, that spot that the US provides to China currently before these sanctions in terms of the supply chain. So really, we're seeing Gina Raimondo now here trying to win support from the Japanese, essentially to turn this from what is a unilateral set of sanctions and a unilateral set of curbs to a multilateral.
Of course, the U.S. set to send a delegation to China. What does it hope to achieve? Yes,
indeed. The U.S. delegation should be led with Crittenbrink. Should be led with Crittenbrink, and it will be the sort of first time that we're seeing this level going to China, engaging, and there is hope that this could be truly sort of a constructive set of conversations, particularly with these comments following on Kurt Campbell's comments that actually China now is trying to sort of seek some sort of reprieve, seek some sort of more constructive nature in the relationship. Of course, happening in the background is this continued stress over the chip sanctions, so that is likely to weigh. But the big question is whether or not they can continue the sort of optimism that we've seen after the meetings in Bali and after the meetings in G20. It's worth noting as well that Crittenbrink actually this week is in South Korea, today, tomorrow, be going to Japan on Wednesday. So potentially also we could see some movement on North Korea. There's a lot of concern, and China has actually sort of spoken in and joined the US after this sort of period of sort of colder relations, now has joined the US to say that this is a concern. So we are seeing these small areas of possible collaboration, possible coordination now.